In this video, we're going to be mounting the tank panel on the left side. You'll note that in shipment, the right side already comes on. We're going to use this crossbar to mount to the frame, and then that's actually going to hold both of those panels. So we will put a fastener on this right side panel. We're going to use simple tools in this one, 5mm Allen, an 8mm socket. You'll note that the hex head screw is what's going to mount this bracket. And then we've got a shorter screw with the Allen head that's going to actually mount on the top of the side panel on the left side. And then the two longer ones are what's going to hold the two side panels to that bracket. We're going to be using rubber washers and metal washers. And then this little rubber tab actually slides onto the fuel tank. The first step to mounting that side panel is going to be to get the bracket on. This bracket holds both side panels. He's going to feed that through the back of the frame. You might need to move the emissions can out of your way. And he's going to use that hex head bolt. It's the 8mm size and a washer to go through the front. He's going to leave this a little bit loose right now so that we can later easily mount the two side panels to the bracket and then tighten everything down at once. Now we're ready to install the panel itself. We're going to use that rubber grommet, slide that over the top tab on the tank. And then you'll note that the back of the panel has two slots. Those both are going to slide into those tabs before anything gets fastened. We're going to make sure they'll line those up. And then he's going to use this 5mm with that short Allen screw and the washers to mount the top bolt. Now that we have the left tank panel mounted to the tank with that top fastener, we're going to go to the bottom and we're going to put both of these side panels mounted to the bracket. This is why we left it loose, because we got to make sure that the bracket is behind the side panel tab. And then he's ready to put that screw, metal washer, and then the rubber washer on. It's a little easier on the left side. The right side is hidden behind the horn. Now we're going to mount that right tank panel to the bracket. Everything's still loose at this point, even the center mount tab we've left loose. That enables him to move it around some to align it. Get in there. Once he gets this fastener in, he can tighten it up. We'll work our way back across. We'll tighten the panel down with the 5mm, the bracket with the 8mm, and then the other panel with the 5mm again.